Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel of tahirMA. Today we discuss about how we apply for truck insurance. Basically, applying for truck insurance is very easy. Applying for truck insurance involves several keys steps to ensure that your commercial vehicle is adequately protected. The process typically begins with gathering relevant information and documents. First and foremost, you will need detail about your truck, including its make, model, year, and vehicle identification number. That short form is VIN. Vehicle identification number. V for vehicle, I for identification, and for number. Additionally, information about primary use of the truck, such as the type of cargo it carries, the average distance it travels, is essential. Next, you will need a provide information about the driver who will be operating the truck. This includes the driver record, experience, and any relevant certificates. Insurance companies often consider the driving history of the individual involved, so have this information ready can expedite the application process. Once you have all the necessary details, it's time to start shopping for insurance quotes. You can contact various insurance providers either directly or through brokers to get quotes based on your specific needs. It's crucial to compare coverage options, deductibilities, and premium to find a policy that offers the best value of your business. When you have decided a suitable insurance policy, you will need to complete the application form provided by the chosen insurance provider. This form will require detailed information about your truck drivers and coverage preferences. Be thorough and accurate in filling out the application to avoid the delays and complications the approval process. In some cases, insurance company may request additional documentation and conduct inspection of your truck to assess their safety features and overall condition. Cooperating with these requests will help facilitate a smoother application process. Once your application is submitted and approved, you will need to review the policy terms and conditions carefully. Make sure you understand the coverage limit, deductibilities, and any exclusions. If there are any unclear terms, don't hesitate to ask your insurance provider for clarification. Finally, after reviewing and accepting the policy's term, you typically need to make the initial premium payment to the active the coverage. Keep in mind that maintaining open communications with your insurance provider is essential and regularly updating them on any change in your fleet or operations can help ensure that your coverage remains appropriate for your business need. This is the video. If you like our video, keep subscribe us, press the bell icon, like and comment and share. Thank you. Bye.